At Bossard, we're a trusted fastening and assembly partner for U.S. defense and aerospace manufacturers, from primes to tier suppliers. With U.S.-based sourcing, ITAR-compliant handling, and AS9100 certified quality, we ensure every component meets strict defense and regulatory standards. We provide complete qualification support, including torque tension testing, vibration and corrosion analysis, and environmental screening, all in ISO and IEC accredited labs. From MilSpec and aerospace components to COTS, engineered fasteners, and kitting solutions, Bossard delivers what your programs demand: precision, performance, and reliability. With nearly 200 years of fastening innovation and dedicated defense expertise in the U.S., we simplify complexity and keep your supply chain mission ready.